Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, look at it. So, Lintico. It's made of linen product, and usually when we have linen products, it's usually one color, and this one they have multi-color. So I was thinking, wow, it's time to have a change, right? Look at this one. This one is it's like a suit style. We will take a look of this one, Lintico, and look at this. This, I do not even know what it is. And it looks like a skirt or pants. Lintico. And this one, and I have already had some of their clothes, and they are very beautiful and comfortable. Here comes again. Let's try it out. Okay. And it's already dark, so I hope you can see it. I loosen up my hair. It's been tied up the whole day, so I want it to be a little bit relaxed. So, oh, this is a small size and so big. And usually when I wear this kind of clothes, I buy it online if I have something online, not in the store. I avoid to have this long sleeve. It's usually too tight or too loose. I think this is okay. And also for this kind of style, I do not feel very connected to this kind of style. Yesterday I went to Costco and I saw one person wear this, and it's so it's so big, and I do not know whether this is good. It is very, very, very comfortable. How do you think? I do not know. Yeah. Do you think it's good? Do you think it's okay? No pocket? And it's so big. Oh, it's so big. What is this style? Is this supposed to be like this? Okay, we will take a picture. No, it's not supposed to be like this, right? It's supposed to be just like a sleeve gown. And it's very, very comfortable. Let me know if this is an okay style. Very comfortable. And my inner clothes, inner garment is not showing off. Kind of different to have some design, right? Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Goo goo bye bye. Okay, here is the shirt. Yeah. Oh, this looks a little bit too drippy. Too yeah. I will change a little bit. Make it this way. I think it's not so not so good. I think just very relaxed this way will be better. Maybe I change the inner clothes a little bit. But this is in. Okay. How about wearing this one? This one is no shoulder, so let's see. It's very comfortable. Very relaxed and comfortable. I really like this one actually. And let's see this. This way I feel, personally I feel the shoulder is not uncomfortable, it's more comfortable. Okay, and this one, I think it's exactly the same thing. Oh my goodness, what I'm doing. I am buying, oh no, not the same thing. So this one you can do this way. Looks pretty cool, actually. Just loosen it up. Now we try this one. Has a lot of buttons. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. This is a... Wow, that's interesting. Oh my goodness. Oh, I like it. I actually like it. It's so comfortable. Wow, it's unbelievably comfortable. Usually when you wear suits, it's either shoulder too tight or something. This one is relaxed. See, my back is comfortable. I tied it. It's a little bit stretched, but yeah, my shoulder is absolutely just comfortable. Yeah. Oh, this one is good. Oh, this one is good. Oh, this one is good. Okay, I tighten up the buttons. Every single one of it. It will take some time, right? Let's see how it looks. Maybe this is not the style suggested, or maybe not the style that best fits me, but we take a look. Such is the style. A little bit more fit style, not so much that linen free style. Okay. So this one is actually, you open up here, and the button is on the side, make it a little bit asymmetric, and I wear something inside, my own clothes. See, okay, first I wear this. The label is stuck in. Oh, not bad at all. Don't you think so? Yeah. Oh, la, la. I look like a cultural person. I look like a spiritual person. Which I am not. I am so not. I think we can do a little bit this way. Okay. I think this is the right angle. I'm so comfortable. So very, very comfortable. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is so comfortable. that color is matching even better. Oh my gosh. Even better. Look at this. I think this will be good. And there is pocket here. This is a very smart design, I think. This is a very smart design. D'accord? Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Goo goo bye bye.